So oftentimes parents ask us, when is the right time to start the early learning program? And I will say it is really hard to miss the public servants announcement that seems to be blasting at parents that is 80% of the human brain is developed by age 3. So we're told that that so much is happening, but how can we make the most of this time? It is so hard because who has time to read child development books and do all the research? So what we want to do is we say that it is never too early to start, that even newborns that you think are just kind of like zoning out and just need some cuddles and some food and some sleep and all they do is poop, eat, and sleep, they actually are having these amazing neural connections that are forming in their early brains that make such a difference for their future. And so we want to help partner with parents to know exactly what is happening with their child's development, with your child's development at each stage. Feel like you have a plan, like there's confidence in knowing that you have a plan. And then most importantly, because you have this information, you can tune into your baby in new ways. You can see how they're seeing the world, what they want to learn at each stage. So again, we say it is never too early to start.